Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use the insert key on Lenovo Legion. So first I'm gonna explain how to click on the insert key, then how it works. So to use the insert key, which is underneath the F12, you need to press on Fn and F12 at the same time. Then it will use the insert key, and if you click on it again, it will turn the insert mode off. And now I'm gonna show you how to use that in text, because this changes how text is aligned and all of that. So I'm just gonna type in name and a few dots, and as I without the insert key, as I position my my cursor at the beginning of these dots, if I type anything in, you can see it shifts the dots. But if I instead click on the insert key before and now type something in, you can see that it replaces the dots. Then if I click on insert key again, for example, I can reposition my cursor to the beginning of the name, and I can type in sir. But if I reposition my cursor to the beginning of the surname word and click on insert, I can type in H and it'll replace the sir with H. Then I can just click on delete to delete the name. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.